what's up, man? It's your boy, Super Kami Guru, hitting you guys up with a quick tutorial on how to buy some PLS, some Pulse Chain, right? I know it's one of the tokens I heavily preach. Super low right now. Unfortunately, I was trying to do it last night, but it didn't happen. Prices were a little lower, so today I'm going against my own advice and I'm gonna buy on a green day because why not? So look, you guys already should know how to get your money on from an exchange like via Coinbase or Kraken or whatever onto your Metamask, right? So we'll pretty much start off from there. Once your Metamask is set up, right, you've downloaded your widgets onto your Chrome extension or Firefox or whatever's clever, you'll go here to pulsechain.com. And they made it super simple here where you could add the entire network. Everything you need is right here. So you'd open up your extension. If you needed to add it manually, you would go here to your networks. Obviously, there's some preloaded ones already. You can go hit add network. So you would then go to add network manually, and then you pretty much copy paste everything from Pulse Chain, right? Boom, copy, paste, so on and so forth. The RPC URL, right? Copy and paste, right? And you do that for everything: the chain ID, the currency symbol, the block explorer, all that's here, right? Currency, block explorer, chain ID, it's all here. But these guys have also made it fairly simple where you just kind of hit this button here, and now it's asking me whether I want to do it or not. Go ahead and use MetaMask, add approve, switch network, and now we should be ready, right? Let's see my MetaMask. Right, now I'm on Pulse Chain. I have a zero balance. You go over here to your network, says Pulse Chain. Now you can toggle between the both, Ethereum and Pulse Chain, right? So now that you have that set up, you have the Pulse Chain network now set up onto your MetaMask. Go ahead and exit out of that. You can exit out this website, or you can go ahead and feel free to scan through it, see what it's all here. I think the white paper is on here and whatever else, right? Kind of what they did. Pretty dope. But you got your block explorer, your validators, or how to become a validator. PulseX, right? It's pretty much the exchange on here. So yeah. Then you can come over here to gopulse.com. And I haven't done this, man, so I'm learning with it with you guys, right? We'll do this one together. Normally for me, man, I was bridging in a lot of my Ethereum over to Pulse Chain to where I just kind of hold my Ethereum over there. I know it's a little bit more advanced. So I know they've been working on this PulseX and this bridging over and just kind of just buying PLS, right off the market or whatever thing you got going on here. Because before I would have to bridge in my Ethereum, but if I didn't have any Pulse tokens already, if you weren't part of the sacrifice, or if you don't have a buddy that could send you a few just to for the transaction fees, then you're gonna be stuck just holding your bag of wrapped Ethereum on Pulse Chain. So this is kind of like the go around, right? So gopulse.com. They're kind of giving you everything that's going on. As you can see, these things keep fucking going up. It was just 15% like 5 minutes ago. Let's see how this flies. So apparently this is like the aggregator. It's supposed to be real easy, give you the best bang for your buck. It goes through like 3-4 different exchanges right now that'll bridge your money over. So I don't want to do much. The minimum is 0.06 Ethereum, right, as you see there, 0.06. So we'll go ahead and do the minimum. Test this out. Right now you'll get for $100, $116. You'll get this is wrong. What's going on here? Oh no, that was what it was. Yep. Sorry, fellas. Should use my glasses. You can get about two mil, right? Yeah, right. Yeah. So you can get this much pulse, right? 2 million pulse. Not bad. Not bad at all. So let's see how this flies around. So your receiving address, I would assume your PLS receiving address. You're gonna go to your MetaMask. Make sure you're on the Pulse Chain network, 0 PLS. You'll copy your address. Paste that down here. What's going on? Maybe I didn't copy it. Make sure you copy it. Copied. Paste. Boom. So that's it. The Ethereum add refund address, I would assume that's your Ethereum address, right? They should be very similar. I think they're the same. Thank you. Sorry, fellas. But yeah, like I said, I'm kind of just stumbling along through this. So let's figure this out. We'll hit next. There's a public address. Add your email for notifications. No, I don't want to do that. Accept. Let's see if we get this. This is your deposit address, your exchange ID. After one network confirmation, we will start the exchange process. Send the amount to the address below. So we're going to send 0.06 ETH to this address, it looks like. So we'll copy that. What's this? Oh, there you go. Deposit address copied. Looks like it's the same thing. You'll then go to your MetaMask. Switch over to you're on your Ethereum address now, right? ETH. Hit send. Paste. That's not it. Go ahead. Send. That's weird. Paste. Okay. 0.06 Ethereums. Gas fees real low right now. Real dope. Go ahead and hit next. Network is busy. Gas prices are high. 0.06 ETH to send that. The estimated gas, 64 cents. It is what it is. I'll take it. Nothing crazy. And yeah, go ahead. Confirm. Send. Sending. Pending. So then we'll see what happens here, man. Now it's just a matter of waiting. Right? It's only been maybe a couple minutes, a minute or two. It says we have received your deposit, exchanging rate type. Boom, we should be getting about 2 million pulse. Your deposit is being confirmed by the network. And yeah, now I guess we just wait. All right, family. So I'm back. It's been roughly about 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. It says transaction is now complete. Let's go ahead and check our MetaMask. Right? Look, we now have $100 worth of fucking PLS. Right? Now you can go ahead and, you know, buy PLS right off the jump. I'll show you guys more videos on how to do the exchange later, but that's pretty much it, dude. So it works. It's a success. That's how you do it. Damn that door. There it is. All right, fans. So that's pretty much it, dude. Easy like that. 30, you know, do your exchange, 30, 40 minutes. It's there. Your money's there. And it's game over after that, man. I'm going to go ahead and funnel in the rest of that Ethereum that I had. And catch you guys next time.